Daddy's here for today.
For a mindful
minute.
Today we're doing the power of pause. Taking a stop when we have big emotions like anger. Put on your angry face, anger, frustration, sadness. We stop and pause. The S stands for stop. The T stands for take a deep breath. What's your favorite breath?
My favorite is owl breath.
Owl breath. So we take a deep breath. Ready? The O stands for observe how you're feeling. How do you feel after the breath?
Feel great.
Peaceful and calm. The P stands for proceed with kindness. Hope you're able to use the power of pause when you're having a big emotion. Remember, stop. And pause.
And think about it. If it's a good choice or not good choice.
Exactly. Let's say, I make good choices. I make good choices. Thank you for joining us. Namaste. Have a great day.
Yeah.
Yeah.